So today I'm going to be talking about 5 free Redbubble research tools you guys can use right now to help you find ideas that can potentially increase your sales. These are, in my opinion, some of the best research tools you can use, especially with Redbubble. And I can almost guarantee that if you're watching this, you will find one research tool that you've never seen before. So make sure that you are watching this video up until the end. And also, please do drop a like on the video. It really does help the channel. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand shops. Now, if you happen to be new around here and you're looking to learn how to make some extra money online, make sure to click that subscribe button with the notification bells turned on so you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And if you don't already know, down in the description, I have a free print on demand starter guide that's filled with all the information that I used to get my first sales online through sites like Redbubble. But however, if you're someone that's looking to take this way over to the next level, and maybe you're even looking to make this into a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down below. Now, getting straight into the video, I'm going to be talking about the best free Redbubble research tools. So I'll be going through 5 of them in no particular order. All of them are good in my opinion, and all of them are things you guys can definitely use. Getting us onto this first one, we have the Redbubble search bar and what I like to call A to Z method. Now, how this works is fairly simple. You go on Redbubble, go on the search bar, you type in a letter. Once you type in a letter, a drop down will appear and there'll be 3 keywords on that drop down with a little arrow next to them. And those 3 keywords will be the top trending keywords under that letter, as you guys can see on the screen there. This is very effective, mainly because it shows you what people are looking for on Redbubble right now, and it gives you an idea of what is working. And if I jump onto Redbubble just to quickly show you an example of how this works. So as you can see, I've typed in A and it showed me here the 3 top trending things for the letter A. Now, the good thing about this is that you can go from A to Z, and then once you go from A to Z, you can then start to dig in deeper. So you can put AB and it will show you the 3 things that are trending under AB, AC, AD, and you can get creative if you want. And you can do the same for B, BE, as you can see, shows you the BE related keywords, BI, same there. And you can go a little bit more in depth and you can dissect each and every letter. It's very effective, and once again, it shows you what people are looking for right now. Next up, we have Bubble Trends. Now, this kind of links to the last method a little bit in the way that the information on Bubble Trends is the information that you find through Redbubble. What Bubble Trends does, it just pretty much takes all that data in regards to the top 3 trending keywords for each letter A to Z, and it just puts it on one page in front of you. The good thing about this is that you don't actually have to click on the designs as you would do on Redbubble to see the amount of results under that keyword, and they are all shown on one page next to the keywords, which makes it easy to look through and find keywords with small results and less competition. It's a very, very effective site to use, and one I recommend for you guys to use if you're not using it already. And for anyone who doesn't already know, this is what it looks like. Once you jump on it, you can see there'll be keywords highlighted there with the results next to them there at the end. And what you could do, you could even put in a date there. So it could be yesterday's date to see what was trending yesterday, the day before that, and the day before that if you want to. It allows you to do quite a lot of things, and yes, it's very good in regards of getting information to write down the designs you want to focus on moving forward. The one thing it doesn't do though, it doesn't show you what has copyright or trademark, so it's always good to use sites like Trademarkier to double check these keywords to see if they are things you can actually use. Next up, we've got redbubble.dabu.ro. Now, this is the Redbubble popular tag site that shows you obviously the popular tags that are doing well through Redbubble. It has over 10,000 results in terms of keywords that are actually doing well on Redbubble. And this is something that I actually talk about in the free print on demand guide that you guys can download at the link down in the description. As you can see there's a lot of information when you look directly at it, but when you go on the actual site itself, this is what you see, and you just want to click on Redbubble popular tags. Now once you click that, it will take a moment, then load everything up. And the first thing I do when I jump on this site, I go into show entries, change it from 25 to 100, so we have a lot more information on the page. And then what I like to do is click on results, which is the first section of results, which goes from the lowest amount of results to the highest, so it changes it to that. But before I do that, I always like to look to see what's at the top, you know, what looks kind of safe. The way you can determine whether something looks safe compared to not safe is by this number here. If the number's in the red, it means a lot of designs are being removed from that keyword / niche. Here we're seeing plus 65, but this is a good example to show that you can't always trust the green as well, because this is for Harry Potter, which only means that there's more people uploading designs than the designs that are getting removed, because this should most likely be in the red as well. But yeah, looking at the things that are at the top could give you a potential idea of what you should work on or what you shouldn't work on. But like I said, I like to go on the results here, and then I like to just click that, and then it sorts it from the lowest to the highest, slightly off, but it gives you a good idea of, you know, keywords with less competition if you're looking to create designs in niches that have less competition, moving yourself forward. But yeah, this is a very useful site to use. There's a lot of information in there, so you can go through it, trial and error a lot of different things to get yourself some ideas that could potentially help you to get the sales that you're looking for. Next up, we've got the Redbubble extractor. Now, a lot of you guys might not actually know what this is, and are probably confused as to what you're seeing here, but this is a website that also gives you information on things that are trending through Redbubble. And at the end of the day, it's always good to have a variation of sites you can work with for ideas. When you go onto the site for the first time, this is what it looks like. As you can see, there's a variation of options there. You've got check these out, full list, gift store, a variation of other things, but what you're most interested is the section that says trending. Now, once you click on trending, it will bring up some ads. You just have to X them off, go through it, and like I said, they'll show quite a few ads, but I think it's pretty much a trade-off because they're giving you free information. So once the ads go through, so there's a little countdown timer that goes down. When that's done, you will see this page here. And once again, it's trending keywords, as I mentioned before. It's somewhat similar to Bubble Trends in the fact that you're shown a keyword and the amount of results, but it's slightly different, mainly because it doesn't show you the top 3 trending keywords for each letter. It is showing you information that you guys could potentially make winning designs from. And when you use these sites, it's always good to double check the keywords using sites like Trademark here, just to be safe. Finally, we have Redbubble. Fun little story about this one. I was live streaming, which I do pretty much every Monday, and I answer your question and review stores. But yes, someone submitted a link, and it was a link to this website. And I was like, oh, what's going on here? Had a look of the website, you know, scanned it, tried it out, and yes, this website is a gold mine. It's a hidden gem, to say the least. Whoever created this website knew what they were doing and knew what to put together to create the best user experience for people that are trying to create designs on Redbubble. As you can see there, it's called Redbubble. They've put low competition trends, and just from what you can see on the screenshot, there's a Redbubble section where you can click open to go straight to Redbubble and see the design itself. Got a trademark here section. If you click that, it will allow you to trademark check your design if you want to go about it that route. You've got the niches for the keywords, trademark, so it already shows you whether something is safe. And next to that, you're also shown the results under that keywords, followed by the amount of sellers, so your competition pretty much, price ranges, best-selling products. As you can see with the first one, it's t-shirts, stickers, and then there's the tag section after that. Going on to the actual site itself, you can see here there's a lot of information here. Once again, there's the Redbubble section and all the other section I spoke about before. And when I scroll across to the tags, you can see it shows you a lot of the related tags to that particular niche / keyword. And if you want to trademark check, you click on here and it will take you straight to trademark here, which you should see here. And then you can just click search to see if this keyword is trademarked or not. And yeah, the open button will just take you to the Redbubble page. But yes, this is very, very useful, and there's pages and pages of information. So yes, it's definitely a great site to use just to see what's going on and just to make sure that you are staying safe when it comes to your shops. I know a lot of you guys might not have seen this site, so I thought I'd share it in this video, so maybe I can make your designing process as well as your workflow process a lot better when it comes to Redbubble. Nevertheless, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. For anyone who's made it to this part of the video, down in the comment section, comment down research tool, and I'll try to respond to as many of you guys as possible. Nevertheless, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.